you, truckers! The Freedom Convoy 2022 inspired people of all ages, of all walks of life, all across Canada and around the world. It gave us hope, it gave us pride, it gave us strength to stand up and have our voices heard, and our voices rippled and made the world proud. Trudeau ran and hid in his cabin, refusing to talk with the truckers about the inhumane mandates being imposed on Canadians. We stood strong, we stood proud, until the government thugs came in and roughed up and trampled on peaceful protesters and forced us out of the city. We will not forgive, and we will not forget, not until justice is served. And it will be served. Just a matter of time.